In this tutorial, we will see that how you can transfer files from Android to external hard drive in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. So here you can see that we have this Android phone and this external hard drive. You can see that this hard drive comes with this USB, and this Android phone comes with this USB-C port. Now what we need is we need to get this OTG that we will insert in this Android phone, which will help us to connect this hard drive USB cable with our Android phone like this. The second option is to get this type of OTG. Link its C type with your Android phone and another side with this hard drive like this. These type of OTGs you can get easily from Amazon. You can find link in description. And now if you turn on your Android phone, it will start recognizing this OTG like it's showing here. Now minimize it and open your files. Now to transfer files, we will open this images. You need to select your images. Like I'm selecting here and click on these three dots from right top side, and here you can select copy to. Then it will show you these two options, internal storage or that hard drive. You can select this hard drive. You can create a new folder like I'm creating and simply select copy to new folder, and it will start copying these files. And now if you open this hard drive, you can see here this new folder. Open it and here are our all images that we have transferred. So that's how you can transfer files from Android to external hard drive in just few easy steps.